Array. Ever wondered what the future of car repair looks like? Forget greasy hands and long waiting times. Welcome to the year 2050, where auto repair shops are fully automated, intelligent, and incredibly efficient. Let's take a look inside. As this sleek electric vehicle glides into the bay, there's not a single human in sight. Instead, a sophisticated network of AI scanners immediately gets to work. Beams of light sweep over the car, creating a detailed holographic diagnostic report that hovers in mid-air. Every circuit, every component, every line of code is analyzed in milliseconds. The AI identifies a microfracture in the primary power converter. A problem that would take a human technician hours just to locate. Instantly, the repair sequence begins. Massive robotic arms, moving with a silent, eerie grace, lift the vehicle effortlessly. This is where the real magic happens. Laser-guided tools emerge, their beams pinpointing the exact location of the damage. We see close-ups of delicate robotic fingers, more precise than any human hand, manipulating components with flawless accuracy. There's no guesswork, no trial and error. Just pure calculated perfection. While one robot meticulously repairs the power converter, we see the AI's brain at work. Complex algorithms are running, processing data from millions of previous repairs, constantly learning and improving. It's like watching a symphony of technology. 3D models of the cars, engines spin and reconfigure on a virtual canvas, simulating the repair before it's even completed. And this isn't just a one-car-at-a-time operation. Look around the workshop. Multiple bays are active, with a fleet of robots simultaneously servicing different vehicles. From compact city cars to heavy-duty electric trucks, it's a ballet of efficiency, each machine performing its task in perfect harmony with the others. All orchestrated by a central AI. Just like that, the repair is finished. The robotic arms gently lower the car back to the ground. A bright green hologram flashes job complete and displays a full system health report. The entire process, from diagnosis to final check, took less than 10 minutes. The bay doors slide open, and the car drives out, fully repaired and ready to hit the road again. This isn't science fiction. It's the inevitable next step in automotive technology. A future where breakdowns are just a minor inconvenience, fixed in the time it takes to grab a coffee. What do you think? Is this the future you're excited for? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more glimpses into the world of tomorrow.